Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Stick around for this look. I'm starting on old dried hair. I will be using the Melanin Hair Care line, the twisting cream and the oil for this hairstyle. So the video is pretty basic, I guess. It's very easy to follow through, so I don't think I really need to talk much throughout the entire video. But yeah, right now I'm just creating 4 squares. Then I'm going to crisscross the squares to create a style, and just using a rubber band to hold the hair down. And that's pretty much it for that part. It's not always the best decision to detangle your hair while it's dry, guys, but I was gentle, very gentle. So right now I'm just using some water, regular water, to moisturize my hair. I'm going to follow that up with oil, and then the cream, follow by the gel. I like to just put a little bit of oil and cream under my gel. I don't know, extra protection, I guess. Right now, I usually like to do this method where I braid my hair and then I redo the ponytail. This way it just makes it easier to have a nice and neat ponytail. So that's what I'm doing right now. So for this part right here, I'm just going to crisscross again the ends and tucking them inside my bun. You don't have to crisscross it if you don't like that. You can put it, any other way. So guys, for this section, I'm only doing medium to small twist. I'm using the LOC method to moisturize my hair. Then I'm going to twist it up, followed by Perm Rods for more curl definitions at the end. Oh, I didn't apply in gel, but if that's something you want to apply, that's fine, I guess, if you want the curls to last a little bit longer. So guys, it's later in the afternoon and I'm ready to head out. Right now I'm just taking my rods out. I'm going to apply some oils to my hand just to prevent frizz. Then I'm going to unravel the hair. And always be gentle, guys, always. Wow, look at that definition, guys. Twist, they came out so nice, and I will tell you that my hair was soft. The back, it was soft. It was very defined, as you can see. You can't even tell this is a 7 days old dry crispy hair. that turned into this. So yeah, I'm just going to finish unraveling my hair, then I'll be right back. This is pretty much it, guys. Everything came out so nice and beautiful, soft and defined. So I'm pretty happy with the result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.